Hi guys, today I'm going to make something really cool with my new Xylus Easy Pull food processor. I love this new appliance. I'm experimenting with a recipe called green olive tapenade. First of all, we'll take the lid off of the food processor and we're going to add 4 ounces of green olives, 1 garlic clove, 3 tablespoons of toasted pine nuts, 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, and the last one, 3 ounces of crumbled blue cheese. Put that in there. There we go. What a mess. Okay. Then we just secure the lid and start pulling away, just like a lawnmower. No electricity needed. Let's take a peek. Oh my goodness. Here we go. Green olive tapenade, ready to go.